Hello, everyone. This is Jacqueline Price back again with another quick video. And today I want to show you how to delete inactive friends on your Facebook page. Because if you're using your Facebook page to earn money, then you need active people on there. You want to make sure that you're adding the right people to your page and things like that. So, again, my name is Jacqueline Price. I'm a full-time work-from-home entrepreneur, and I do some affiliate marketing. And my YouTube page or channel, my YouTube channel is to help you put more money in your bank account and to also help you with different tools and things that you will need to help you to be able to automate your business. And so I use my page for business. And so let's see if I can go here to the tool that I'm talking about today is Social Prospector Pro. And this tool does so many things. It's absolutely amazing. Like here, we're going to come back to this, but I'm going to show you what all of this is for. Because you can scan your post for the last 7 days, the last 14 days, the last 30 days, 90 days, 180 days, 365 days. And so I've already logged in, and I've already let the friends, whenever you log in, when you get this tool, the link's going to be down below. But when you get this tool, you'll know that your friends, when you get it set up, your friends will load up when you get ready to use it. And these are the different features. So you have inactive friends, and we're going to talk about those. You have post friender, where you can actually add people. Um, this is how you want to add your people. Let's click here, and then it'll open a Facebook window. Give it a little time, and then I'll show you how you can add people. It'll start blinking, and then you can add people. Just let it load up. And so as you scroll down your page, like for instance, this particular post, it should be blinking like right there. When it starts blinking, those people right there, you can add them if you like. But we're not going to add anybody right now, but I'll just want to show you as you go down, you can find different, like this one is Body Groove. It's a sponsored ad, and you can, add people on there as well. So just that's how you add people. See, like this one here has 46 and it's blinking. You click it and it can add those people if you like. So that's how you would add, new friends. Okay, so and then the member finder, those are how you can add people from groups. And so I'm not going to go into that, but what we're going to do really quick here, and then I'm going to get back to inactive. Okay, so see, these are the deactivated profiles. And so this is what I wanted to show you. These people here, for whatever reason, their profile is they've deactivated. Maybe they have another Facebook page. I don't know, but you don't need these people on your page because they have deactivated their profile. So what we want to do is we want to select all of these. So you go up here to select all. So these are deactivated friends. I only have 6 at the moment, but some people have hundreds of these. And so this is why you need this tool. So you want to select all, and it makes all of them light up. And then you click here, remove, and then the tool starts to work for you. Like here, you'll see it starts to remove um, those 6 profiles. And that is what you want, because when you have people who are on your profile they have deactivated their profiles, then they're no longer active. They're no longer using their Facebook. They're just taking up space. I call it like they're taking up your real estate, on your timeline. And when you can have people who are interested in what you're doing, you can add those people. And so this tool also shows you how to add the right people to your page so that you can get more leads and more signups in whatever business that you're in. Okay, there, it's done. So all those people are removed just like that. Okay, so now let's go up here to the let's go to home, and this is back where you could select the time frame below to find friends who haven't engaged with your post. And so when you do that, okay, let's say I was gonna do the post in the last 90 days. So I would click here, and we're not gonna do it. I'm gonna start the scan, but I'm not gonna go through it. And so what it does, it'll just start scanning, and it'll start uh, finding, people who haven't. It's gonna load up all the people who have not engaged with your post in 90 days. And so I have like 4,000 something plus friends. It's probably a lot because I haven't removed anybody. Well, I removed 100 people yesterday. So this is what it's doing. It's scrolling through my posts for 90 days. And this takes some time. So this is something that you set it and you just let it run. And then whenever it's done, if you want to unfriend all those people who haven't engaged in your post, then you unfriend them. And that's how that works. And so, guys, I'm not going to do that at this time, but I wanted to show you how it works and how this tool is absolutely amazing, because you want it to help your Facebook algorithm. And so it's like if you have people who are on your timeline who don't interact with your post, then I just say they're kind of like in the way. They're not interested in what you're doing. Um, if they don't engage on your post, sometimes people just sit back and watch and watch and watch, and that's fine. But if you have people who've been on your timeline, they've been your friend for 365 days, they've been your friend for a whole year, and they haven't engaged on your post or anything, then there's something wrong. Either you need to engage with them, or they need to engage with you, or you need to remove them. And so this is how you remove them with this particular tool, Social Prospector Pro. Delete inactive friends on your Facebook page and delete deactivated profiles. Those are just like, they're just taking up space. And so, guys, I'm just going to hop right on out of here, but I wanted to be able to share this information with you, this value with you today. And this has been Jacqueline Price, and I will see you again on the next video.